The sun peeks over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the lush fields of Donald Duck's farm. This morning, like every other, Donald is gently roused from his slumber by the melodic trills of songbirds. As he pushes back the cheery curtains, the scene unfolds before him, a serene tapestry of greenery which brings a smile to his beak. Donald starts his day with a steaming cup of coffee, savoring the quiet moments before the farm awakens. He has learned to appreciate the slow, rhythmic pace of rural life, which gives him time to tune into the symphony of nature that accompanies his morning routine. Once energized, Donald steps out to greet his animal companions. With a tip of his straw hat, he approaches his two closest pals, Huey the horse and Louie the cow. Donald's vibrant chatter fills the barnyard as he entertains the animals with his trademark quips. Despite the occasional grumpiness, his good-natured humor is infectious, causing more than a few giggles among his friends. With a skip in his step, Donald heads to his vegetable patches. His knowledge in farming is impressive, showing off his ability to coax the land into bearing a bounty of produce. It's a well-oiled routine: plant, water, harvest, but not without its comedic flair. Inevitably, Donald's short temper makes a guest appearance when a mischievous rabbit decides to sample the carrots without permission. Yet, Donald's exasperated squawks quickly devolve into laughter as the rabbit scampers away. The farm isn't just a workplace, it's a community. His loyal companions, from sheep to chickens, each lend a helping paw or wing to the effort. The air is filled with cheerful sounds of moo and cluck. Later, Donald takes time to enjoy the fruits of his labor, literally. Cups of fresh milk and baskets of ripe tomatoes are transformed into a feast fit for a whole farmyard. The animals gather for a picnic under the generous shade of an old oak tree, indulging in the simplicity of homemade goodness. Laughter echoes around as they share stories from the day. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of amber and pink, Donald wraps up his day with a sense of peace. He reflects on the joy that comes from hard work, companionship, and the richness of living slowly. He gazes out over the fields, a content duck with a heart contentedly full, understanding the art of enjoying the little things in life.